Suspension of operation agreement. Why news? Recently, Manipur government withdrawal from the suspension of the operation agreement with two insurgents group, Koki National Army and Jomi Revolutionary Army, alleging they were influencing agitation among the forest encroacher. About suspension of operation agreement, it was a ceasefire agreement signed in 2008 with the primary objective of initiating political dialogue with the Kuki insurgents group and meant ending violence hostility from the outside. It was signed by the center and the Manipur government with two umbrella groups, Cooking National Organization and the United People's Front, comprising 25 groups, 70 under the KNO and 8 under the UPF. There are nearly 30 Kuki insurgents group in the Manipur, of which 25 are under the SOO agreement, means suspension of operation agreement. About the Kuki insurgents, क्या है Kuki insurgents भाई? Karaikuki are an ethnic group including multiple tribes organizing in habitat of the northeast state of India such as Manipur, Mizoram, Assam, part of Burma on now Myanmar, and Sylhet district of Chittagong Hill district of Bangladesh. You can say in Manipur the various Kuki tribe living mainly in the hilly and currently make up of 30% of the total population of the state. The rest of the population of Manipur is made up mainly of two other ethnic groups, Meitei, non-tribal Vaishnu white Hindu who live in the valley region of Manipur. Nagas tribe historically ate loggerhead with the Kuki, also living in the hilly area of the state. In the early 1990s, ethnic clash between the Nagas and Kuki led to the formation of several Kuki insurgents groups which have now called a scale down their demand from a separate Kuki state to a territorial council. There are competing interests between the Nagas and Metis. The demand of Nagalism or Greater Nagaland include the Nagas inhabited area of the Manipur. On the other hand, the Metis want to preserve what has been a single geographical entity for centuries. They have also traditionally controlled both the political and economic power in the region. Conclusion as a whole insurgency program cannot be left with some particular group and government alone. These strategy can be achieved by involving local people having a strong willpower with the strong support from government and other NGO. Moreover, better interstate police networking, police formation, counter-insurgency, frequent training program, etc. are additional steps that can be taken to control the insurgency. यहाँ पर है कुछ टर्म ब्लॉक में दे रखा है, इसको भी देख लेते हैं। यहाँ पर पहला देख रहा है टर्म ऑफ सस्पेंशन ऑफ ऑपरेशन पैक्ट क्या है भाई, ये कह रहा है टेन्योर कितना है, पीरियड ऑफ द सस्पेंशन ऑफ ऑपरेशन एग्रीमेंट इज 1 year, इट इज एक्सटेंडेड अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ इट्स इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, designated camp, the militant cadre are to be confined to designated camp identified by the government. No operation security force including a state and central force are not to launch any operation, nor can the underground group responsibility of insurgents. Signatory of the UPF and the KNO shall abide by the Constitution of India and the law of the land and territorial integrity of the Manipur. Rehabilitation package as a rehabilitation package, the UG cadre living in the designated camp are given a monthly stipends of the rupee 5,000. Monitoring of implementation, a committee called the Joint Monitoring Group with representative from all the signatory has been formed. Region 4 insurgency in Manipur. पहला, lack of socio-economic development and poverty. are mainly responsible for disaffection with the state and rise of the insurgents movement. आगे दूसरा क्या है, insurgency is also increasingly seen as a profitable business, and insurgency have in reality morphed shape into criminality. Sense of alienation from mainstream due to overwhelming presence of security force, associated human rights issue, porous international border with Myanmar, with growing number of refugees in Myanmar, in Manipur. So these all are the other reason. And here is the initiative taken by the government to restore the peace in Manipur. Gradual removal of ASPA. Recently, 19 police station in 7 districts of the Manipur has been removed from the disturbed area. Notification under the ASPA. Development of Northeast as a economic hub by initiative like Swachh Darshan scheme, National Bamboo Mission, Agri Export Zones, etc.